Hey Formicast fans, welcome to another Formicast unboxing. Today I have an unboxing that I got from Stateside Ants. He's our new partner to the podcast, so I just want to make a quick video so you guys can see his packaging and see how he packages his ants. And I just want to give a shout out to my buddy T-Bone over from Wisconsin. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. I am sorry, this table is a mess. I need to figure out my unboxing area, figure out something better for this. But this is the first unboxing coming back to the show, and there's gonna be a lot more. I have 3 others that I'm gonna do, which we'll get into those later. But what we're gonna do, folks, is I'm gonna do T-Bone a favor, and I'm going to show you guys the unboxing, show you guys the ants that I ended up getting from him. He's got permits from the USDA, and I wanted to show you guys my experience. And so we'll go off with ignore the mess on my table, ignore everything you see there. My girlfriend is currently she's filming this for me because I need to figure out a better setup for this. But anyway, first thing I wanted to point out was that his label on the box, I love. It's phenomenal. I like how he's got the sticker of his logo on it. Great work. So I wanted to start with that. So let's get into this unboxing. It's not a very long video, but we'll go into his website too. I wanted to at least give him each of these 4 different stores. I'm going to do the same thing for each of them. Not all of them are partners. Some of them are, but then hopefully they all will be. So I wanted to basically just give them all the same amount of treatment. So let's start with Stateside Ants. All right, so here's me opening up the box. Okay, there's no sound because I'm doing a voiceover here. And so, cutting the box open. And then I'll give it a nice little push. Bah. All right, so I'll bring it up. My phone is pretty good. It's pretty decent for this. So there's that. I actually kept the box because you never know. I might end up needing it to send something to someone else. So that's usually what I end up doing, is doing that. So there's the permit with the USDA. All right, so there's that. So you see that we have that in hand. All right, so we got that. Sorry for the mess again, folks. There's a little pipette in there that he put in there for me. And so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through here, and I'm checking to see what's in there. It's really nice, really nicely packaged. I'm actually gonna keep this box and probably get all this foam together somewhere. I have another box too that I got recently from the other person, and I'm gonna probably keep that box too. So here's the ants. All right, so they arrived in this paper towel, and we're opening it up, and there's the ants that I ended up getting, which we'll go into which ones those are. But those are the ants that I got. I think he only had like a few left, but there they are. They're beautiful. They arrived perfect, no problems, and they're on my desk. I will do some more videos on Instagram with them, but I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going through here and I realized there wasn't anything else. But so anyway, there's that video. I wanted to go into what their website looks like, just so that you guys know. Actually, whoops. Let's go into. Whoops. All right, let's go into our website at formicastpodcast.com or formicastpod.com. All right, we're going to scroll down to the very, very bottom. We're going to click on Stateside Ants because they are a partner of the show at the moment. All right, so let's go into America's Ant Shop. So Stateside Ants offers a wide variety of American species. Only the highest quality ants are sold to our customers. Click here below to buy ants today. So the ones that I got were these guys, Camponatus chromodes, which I probably butchered their name. But these are the guys that I got. I'll get a better cool looking picture. And then they are found in these states. These are the areas that he can ship to. So he can, states available to buy: Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, go blue. Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, boo. Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, and West Virginia. Take me home, folks. All right, so species info. So we'll go into this really quick. Camponatus chromodes. I'm probably gonna butcher that. T-Bone, if you could help me out with that, would be great. Is a large orange and silver species from the eastern United States. Colonies get extremely large with polymorphism in their workers. Great beginner ants. Camponatus chromodes is a generalist eater, but liquid should be emphasized. They will eat liquid sugars like sugar water or honey water and most common feeders such as fruit flies, crickets, mealworms, and roaches. They seem to need liquid sugars more often than protein, but should provide frequently. These colonies benefit from heat source. The best temperature for growth is around 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and if possible, add a heating gradient within their nest. These species requires a diapause period, which should last between 3 to 4 months ideally, which I put all my ants through diapause except for my harvester ants. During this time, the ants need to be cooled down to a low temperature with around 40 degrees Fahrenheit being ideal. You can achieve diapause by placing ants in a controlled cooling unit, such as a wine cooler, mini fridge, or regular fridge, if temperatures are safe. And if you cannot use any of these, a non-heated room, which stays above freezing, should work. So brood development should take between 6 to 10 weeks, depending on feeding and heating, and 7 to 8 weeks between the average. Queens tend to lay eggs in batches. Colonies grow slow for the first year or two of development, but tend to reach hundreds within 2 to 3 years. And so queen size is between 16 and 20 millimeters. Workers are between 7 and 12 millimeters, and majors worker size are between 8 and 18. So live arrival guaranteed. If ants arrive in bad condition, contact us. Live arrival is guaranteed. So shipping happens from Monday through Wednesday. During the winter, shipping costs may do need for a heat pack. So I got these guys for $35, and I did the 1 to 6, I believe. So I paid about $43 for that. So yep, that's America's ant shop. So he's got other ants as well. So I'm gonna show you guys all those too. So he's got Florinus. He's got all these other ones here too. So if you guys are looking to get some ants, the next one we'll show you that I ended up doing. The next video is not from this store. It's from a different store, but it is one of these ants. So they got nests as well. So I don't remember where he gets his nests from, but we'll go into that. So he's got nests. He's got accessories. So he's got his own fluon. He's got some test tubes. Okay, 16 pack for $9. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Depending, are these glass? Yeah, they're glass. 9. Okay. Okay, not bad. Yeah. Oh, he's even got the 2 different prices, so I can do 16 test tubes, $8 a month. That's actually not bad, but I don't need that many at the moment. Not until I start catching way more. Accessory, yeah, I showed you accessories. So he's got some partners, and then I'm his next partner, so he's gonna throw me up on the website. But he's got photography with Ants AZ, and then Anthropod Antics, which is another store. They do a lot of he's a nest guy. He's the guy that does all the nests and stuff, and he does other anthropod stuff. And then another photography is Otters Introverts. Let's see, we'll go into his why. Stateside Ants. So Stateside Ants is run by ant keepers with years of experience who know what it's like to have a burning passion for ants. The shared passion is what makes Stateside Ants what it is. We're a shop dedicated to making ant keeping better than it was before. We give our customers the facts about our ants, staying true to what we share knowledge of the ant keeping community and studies from hermecologists tell us. Our ants are cared for as we personally knew, as we know the next owner. Within our future experience with the colony at mind, the information we provide is intended to ensure the well-being of the colony when it's transferred to your care. There should be never a time where you are unhappy with new colonies. With Stateside Ants, your experience with the ants is what comes first. So, Stateside Ants, store policies, legal policy. That's what he sent me in the mail. And then he's got return and refund. Live ants cannot be returned. If ants arrive dead, you will be refunded. We will refund you entirely. However, if you do not select a heat pack from October to March, we cannot guarantee live arrival of the ants. You must contact us within 8 hours of delivery. To receive a refund, please provide photo evidence. Every colony sold comes with a queen unless specified otherwise. A colony option is 1 to 6 workers, includes the queen. If supplies come damaged or your package is missing an item, let us know. We can replace or refund your order. Contact us at info@statesideants.com to notify us of this. Late arrival is guaranteed, or live arrival is guaranteed. And then he's got his Instagram, he's got his YouTube, and he's got his TikTok. Let's check out his YouTube really quick. So he's only got 2 videos on his thing so far, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe to him. And let's see, he's got some videos. He's got shorts. So let's look at the shorts. Not bad. Okay. All right. So that is that. Let's look at his Instagram really quick. His Instagram, I already followed him, but he's got some pictures of his ants and stuff. Actually, I wanted to go back to YouTube really quick because I wanted to see what this video is.
We took a page from the military's playbook and built a...
Yeah, let's just skip over that. Sorry, folks. Okay, so there's no there's no sound to this, so let's make this a little quicker, because so it's basically his former subscriber came out of hibernation, so he's just showing some videos of his ants. So that's pretty cool. This is a little showcase of his ants, so that's what that looks like. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. I recently got some myself. I found a queen. No, I didn't find it. That was a different queen. But my Formica are doing pretty good too. Actually, they're growing. So I'm just waiting for them to start growing in numbers. So that's pretty cool to see this video. I need to specifically get some more liquid sugars for mine. I got some from Formica, but I think it's a bit old now, so I gotta get that replaced. But yeah, that's a pretty cool video. So you can see his ants, his Formica. We're gonna go ahead and do him a quick video here, or comment. Boom. All right, gave him some love. Cool. All right, so that's that. Cool. I think that's pretty much it for Stateside Ants. Yeah. So hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and we will see you guys on the next one. All right, Formicast out.